Was start?
Greetings to you both. Now that you have attended this AILab initiative, what do you think about this event, and do you believe this attending this event was worthwhile?
Yes, it was worthwhile. I mean, both the components, the panel discussions were really lively. I mean, the question answer session, we got to know a lot about the point of view from the people who had represented the different their domains and all, especially the automotive industry, and as well as the presentations on the predict of the maintenance, the robot machine, and the natural language processing and all. The presentations were really nice. I'm happy to be part of this.
Thank you.
Okay, it was very good for attending. Here we came to know what really industry needs. So in our company, we only know what things are needed by our company. But here we have a wide range of people coming from different background or different organizations. So we came to know what thing really this industry are looking for. And again, the presentation and the workshop presentation given by these peoples were too good. So we came to know in which direction also we can more work and what the industry needs, which can make us more grow in this area, and what things we are lacking behind, in which we need to do something so that this gap is minimized.
Thank you so much for your time. Thanks a lot.